Welcome to the show where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Haitha, founder of Fixed Notes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into this show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. This program is for informational purposes only and should be independently verified before taking action. If you're serious about scaling a note business, reducing liability, and positioning for long-term growth, you need to operate through a limited liability company, an LLC. The most obvious benefit is liability protection. When you're purchasing mortgage notes, especially non-performing ones, you're stepping into legal territory. You may be enforcing contracts, sending demand letters, foreclosing, or renegotiating terms. If something goes sideways, you don't want your personal assets, like your house or savings, at risk. The LLC creates a legal firewall between your investments and your personal life. But it's not just about protection, it's also about perception. Sellers, especially institutional sellers, take you more seriously when you operate as a business. If you come to the table with a Gmail address, no business name, no structure, you get ignored. Sellers want to work with principals who will close, who operate professionally, and who will come back for more deals. A real-world example. Mike, a new investor, bought a second mortgage from a broker. No LLC, no servicing plan, no contracts. When the borrower stopped paying, Mike sent a demand letter from his personal address. The borrower's attorney responded aggressively, challenging his right to collect and threatening FDCPA violations. Mike froze. No attorney, no leverage, no protection. So the deal unraveled, and the note was eventually worthless. With an LLC and a proper setup, that file could have been resolved or sold. One common mistake is thinking you don't need an LLC until you're doing volume. That mindset will cost you. From your first deal, you should act like a business, even if it's just you. You'll negotiate better, you'll close faster, and track performance more clearly. Another mistake is mixing personal and business finances. If you buy a note through your LLC, but deposit payments into a personal account, you're opening yourself up to liability. Courts can pierce the corporate veil if you treat your business like a hobby, open a dedicated bank account, keep records, and stay compliant. Many investors also wait too long to systematize. They store files in downloads folders, run numbers on napkins, and forget to follow up on key documents. That's fine for flipping one note, but not for building a portfolio. With an LLC, it's easier to justify spending on systems, bookkeeping, CRM, servicer coordination, so you can spend less time in the weeds and more time working on your business. Setting up an LLC is easy. Register in your home state, get an EIN, and open a business bank account. Add a cloud drive, a simple accounting system, and a method to track your bids, purchases, and resolutions. Then run it like it matters. The LLC is your base of operations. Without one, you're exposed. With one, you're in control. This business rewards structure, consistency, and execution. In the next episode, why most investors overlook this asset class, we'll break down why note investing stays under the radar, even for seasoned real estate investors. It's not because it's hidden, it's because it's misunderstood. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Robot and the Fixed Notes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/fixnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXNOTES. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.